Hi, my name is Amy and I am here to talk to you about a product that has transformed my skin. The Vinopure Skin Perfecting Serum by Caudalie. It's like magic in a bottle. I had been struggling with texture and oily skin, and it has been really hard to find a natural product that works. And I've seen such a difference ever since I started using this serum. My pores are tighter, my skin is brighter, and it works wonder. I had a zit here just 3 days ago, the size of Mount Everest. I continued to apply this and it is gone. Since it's also clean formula, it doesn't irritate my skin, and I know it's working without the harsh ingredients. There are 3 key ingredients in this formula that helps target pores and oils. My favorite one being the natural salicylic acid because it exfoliates, visibly refines skin textures, unclogs and tightens pores. I use this in both my day and my night routine. And also it works as a spot treatment if I feel like I have like a pimple that I really want to target. I'm also obsessed with the way it smells. It just makes me feel so clean. And like all Caudalie products, this is a clean formula, and the Vinopure is 97% natural and fragrance free.